It's July 25th, 2024. It's my first time at the Oshkosh Airshow. This is the largest annual air show in the United States. It's really big. It runs from Monday through Sunday afternoon. All different kinds of stuff, different days. I know Boeing's here. They have aircraft rides, helicopter rides. So they actually do have an app, which I recommend downloading because they give you different stuff. Yesterday, the Blue Angels flew over going to a show in Nebraska, and they kind of were able to tell you in the last 2 minutes. Helicopter rides, which is $65 per person, biggest in the United States. I bought my tickets online, saved, I don't know, I think I saved like $10, and then parking I did online too, so it was much easier. Now I just need to redeem my ticket from my phone to an actual printed ticket. Here's a map of the whole area. And I'll post this as a screenshot in the video so you can see it better. So what they're telling me is between here and here is the best place to see the air show, which starts in about 2 hours. Exhibition hangars, ultralights, vintage, Boing Plaza, and Warbirds. Now someone's zipping through. See behind me all the plane models that they have, and it just goes and goes down different roads, and they just have the planes going until the air show starts in 2 hours. You can actually go in some of these planes. Let's go into this one right here, see what that's like. I believe that's a helicopter tour. Here's a Citation Gen 2. There's the stats of the plane. There's the door. Look at the seating on here. That must be so nice to fly versus commercial. Going in Cessna. Here's the aviation panel. Joysticks. And this one looks like it seats 5 and maybe 2 in the back. Oh, actually 1 more. Or maybe that's for like if you have somebody with stewardess. So this is the Cessna that I was just going through, or just walk through. It's a Bell helicopter.
Huh? 4 of them, just this week. I am kidding you. Yeah. How much are they? 8.3.
Here's inside the helicopter. It's nice that they have them opened up. It's kind of like the auto show of planes. I don't know if this is free or not. I'm gonna see. Different shirts, lanyards, cups. It's like a merchandise shop. Different hats, shirts. Actually, you have free coffee here at the coffee roasters. Hangar 22. Got my free iced coffee, Hangar 22 coffee roaster, so gotta love iced coffee. Oh, temperature-wise, it's 78, I believe. Look at this light sport. So I got the iced coffee. There's so many exhibits, and the helicopter's flying overhead there. This is Missionary Aviation. I'm just trying to take it all in, so hopefully people will say I should slow down in my videos, so let me slow down a little bit. You can see it, there's just planes all over in the sky. Testing and taking off. Going into the Aviation Gateway Park. So they have 2 different buildings here, southwest and northeast. You can see all the people who fly in from all over the United States. And this is just one of the fields where they park at. Here's a Piper. Always reminds me of the TV show Wings. I think they flew Pipers. Coming up on the NASA wing here. See what they got inside here. Got an inflatable rocket ship there. Here's the Artemis. Got to get turned around there. Air taxi and drones. Oh my God, look at this drone, how huge it is. Here's Airbus. This is like a drone and a plane in one. Honda Jet Elite. Here's a huge A&W area. Actually, a donut sounds pretty good. Oh, they have cheese curds too. A&W root beer. This is Boing Plaza. Got a huge cargo plane there. Look at this other one back there, how huge it is. We'll get closer up to it. Then some other smaller planes. They have their own building and everything. It's an Air Force plane. And the Boeing exhibit. A biplane. Two-seater. So you can kind of see in there.
And everyone, welcome to another EAA Plane Talk interview here at EAA AirVenture 2024. What an amazing day it has been. Absolutely wonderful. I am really honored.
It's underneath the plane. The wheels are almost as tall as I am. Here's inside the landing gear. All the people. Here's the Army, their helicopters. Here's a Navy test jet. A couple of them, actually. This one I think you can go up into. It's not every day you can be this close.
And what about for you?
Yeah, working on these aircraft is definitely has.
Or the Canadian Air Force.
129. Our previous models had so we have a variety of.
We just got air-powered by.
Yeah, make sure bugs don't attack us. So while but yeah, there's like he was saying, there's a lot of nooks and crannies and everything. Engine on like a C-130 or something. So it was broken up into shreds when we came in, and we got the option of a few different jobs. So I kind of played the system a little bit and selected the different shreds.
Underneath this massive plane, the wing goes so far down that way, and that's just one side of it. Amazing it can even get off the ground. Let's pass both those engines. These tires are like 5 feet tall. Look at all the cabling and the relays. Get the tires here. That's where the tires are compared. And it's at an angle, so it's actually a little bit more than that. So in the Boing Plaza here, massive plane. How massive this plane is. And here's the Boeing building. Giving out these nice, they're like mini backpacks, and so there's hand sanitizer. Oh, sunglasses. Oh, and then they got this awesome overlook area to watch the air show. Go take a look at this. And the building's air conditioned, even though the doors are open. Actually, I get a good view of all the planes. All kind of display of Boeing things. Pilot handbooks, headsets. Here's showing you how big the cargo is of 777 8F. Here it is loading up. That's actually pretty cool. Showing the capacity of the payload. Here's a Boeing store. Thanks. Got displays of all the different planes. Heritage. It goes into commercial. That was defense. This is commercial. They have a create a plane option there. Here's a 787 cockpit. All different Boeing merchandise. Look, little space shuttles, shirts, hats. I like the hat. Water bottles. They even have watches, pens, keychains. You can buy all these little model planes too. It's actually pretty cool. I like the 777 there. It's better angle the entire wingspan. You can see compared to the size of the people. This is a Boing Plaza. Connecticut National Guard. Oh, that's the exit, so let's go in this one. There must be an entrance. We go into this massive cargo plane. It's just crazy how tall this is. Got the seating on the side. Compared to the people. There's the seats. There's the engine. It's funny how all the wiring is exposed. Man, that was really cool. I knew those were huge inside, but it's even way bigger than I thought it would be. Well, we're getting close to the air show time, so I think I'm going to head by the runway, get some kind of view there, and hopefully get some great footage of the air show, which starts at 2:30. So I think it'll be any minute now.
Back to you. On behalf of General Benson.
Let's see what kind of hats they have. Some neat planes. Oh, here's the hats. Wish that was white type.
O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
Steve, could you tell us a little bit more about the plane and how it got its name, Tonya?
Well, I sure can.
God began to move among
Designed by R.S. Pop Johnson. This is the second stroke. The six airplanes, 1946 Bellica, and 1413 Cruise Air. Actually known as the cardboard plane. The trip has flown to every airport in the state of Minnesota.
Here comes number 7.
next two airplanes represent this year's U.S. Army Air Force as a glider pilot training in Lubbock, Texas. Owners are Dean and Cynthia.
Looks like he's next up. Oh, a lot of planes are coming now. A lot of jets.
esse aqui acho que é bateria. O que comprou o teu Deus aqui mesmo? Comprou um. How about that, Oshkosh? It just keeps rolling on down the runway.
And like blocked anyone? No. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, airborne in a very, very short distance, climbing rapidly. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared.
feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Get that money, watch it burn down the star.
This concludes the video of Oshkosh on July 25th. I probably only covered 10% of it. There's so much to see. And then the air show took up 4 hours, so There's a whole museum I didn't do, and there's a lot of walkways I probably didn't do either. So I'll definitely be back again. It's definitely worth coming out for. There's so much to see. Even if you're not an avid airline person or into planes that much, there's still a lot to see, and it's a lot of fun, especially when they got the fighter jets going and that, which I had in the video, which I'm hoping that came out. They were really loud, so that was really fun. And then all the stunt pilots as well. So definitely worth it. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Till the next video.